Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add presets to the Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to edit. Then here you can find the option of 3 dot lines at the top right corner. Now select it. Next, here you can find the Create Preset option. Now tap on it. Now edit the preset however you want to edit, just like this. You can also add the name of the preset just like this. Then simply tap onto the check mark. Now you can see the edit has been added to the user preset. And that's it. This is how you can create the preset in the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.